Hi, hello, this is PGR. You're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. Today we're gonna cook a curry using a black eye pea. Now this is known as Karamani or lobo. Now this curry can be made into a vegetarian version as well as a non-veg version. So today we're gonna look at the vegetarian version of this curry. Let's have a look at the ingredients for Karamani Kulambu. We need to prepare a paste for this curry. So let's look at the ingredients for preparing the paste. I've taken 2 medium-sized onions, chopped, 10 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger, chopped, pepper 1 teaspoon, cumin 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, salt for taste. I have chopped around 4 medium-sized tomatoes. I'm adding it to it. I will grind this into a fine paste like this. I've taken a medium pot, preheated, adding up 50 ml of refined oil. Once the oil is warm, add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 strips of curry leaves, add the paste that we made earlier. We will fry the paste in the oil. We will fry it till the oil separates from the masala. At this point, if you want to add tamarind juice, you can add. I'm adding a quarter kilogram of green brinjal. Mix it well. Add 1 glass of water, diced. Close the lid and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, I have taken on 250 grams of black-eyed pea and soaked it for 4 hours, and have pressure cooked it for 2 to 3 whistles, and I've kept it aside. Once the brinjal is cooked, we will add the boiled black-eyed pea. Just checking salt. It needs a little bit of salt, so I'm gonna add some salt. Close the lid and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is cooked for 2 to 3 minutes, turn off the stove. Your Karamani Kulambu is ready to be served.